Welcome back. I found some key differences that almost no one talks about. So watch to the end or you'll miss the most important part. Let's go straight into pricing. Hostinger uses a subscription-based pricing model that's built around affordability and long-term value. Entry-level plans are often extremely low when billed annually, making Hostinger appealing to beginners, freelancers, and small businesses on a budget. Pricing scales based on hosting resources such as storage, bandwidth, performance optimizations, number of websites, email accounts, backups, and security features. Many plans also bundle Hostinger's own website builder, allowing users to launch quickly without removing access to full WordPress hosting for deeper control. For comparison, Framer uses subscription pricing that is structured around publishing, design capabilities, and CMS usage rather than raw hosting resources. Hostinger pricing emphasizes infrastructure ownership and flexibility, while Framer pricing reflects design tooling, publishing limits, and collaboration features. Hostinger feels infrastructure first, Framer feels design first. Now let's talk about what Hostinger actually offers. At its core, Hostinger is a hosting platform, meaning users own their site files and can decide how simple or advanced their setup becomes over time. Beginners can start with the drag and drop builder, while more advanced users can move into WordPress, plugins, custom themes, and performance tuning without switching providers. This progression makes Hostinger suitable as a long-term foundation rather than a temporary launch tool. Performance is one of Hostinger's strongest advantages. Fast servers, global data centers, caching layers, SSL certificates, and uptime reliability are built into most plans. These features directly affect SEO, page speed, and user experience. Hostinger also bundles domain management, email hosting, backups, and security tools, reducing reliance on third-party services and hidden costs. Another overlooked benefit of Hostinger is resilience during growth spikes. As traffic increases from promotions or content going viral, Hostinger's infrastructure and caching help maintain site stability without immediate upgrades. This reduces downtime risk and protects user experience during critical moments. For businesses relying on organic search or paid campaigns, that reliability can make the difference between lost visitors and captured opportunities. Another advantage of Hostinger is growth flexibility. A site can start as a simple brochure and later expand into e-commerce, blogging, memberships, or custom applications. Hosting resources can be upgraded gradually, making it easier to scale traffic and features without rebuilding the site from scratch. Now, for the pros and cons. On the plus side, Hostinger is affordable, flexible, and gives users full control over hosting and files. It supports beginners while still accommodating advanced users. On the downside, setup takes longer than AI-generated builders. Beginners may feel overwhelmed by choices, and design still requires effort. Still, for users who value ownership, performance, and scalability, Hostinger delivers strong long-term value. Now let's move on to Framer, which approaches website creation from a modern, design-centric perspective. Framer started as a prototyping tool and evolved into a full website builder focused on visual design, interactions, and speed. Pricing is subscription-based and scales based on publishing limits, CMS collections, traffic, and team collaboration. Framer's biggest strength is design experience. The editor feels fast, responsive, and intuitive, especially for designers familiar with modern UI tools. Users can build responsive layouts visually, add animations and interactions, and see changes instantly. This makes Framer especially appealing to startups, designers, and personal brands that care deeply about aesthetics and motion. Framer also supports rapid brand refinement. Because typography, spacing, and components are easy to adjust globally, teams can evolve visual identity without redesigning every page. This is useful for startups still discovering their brand voice. Small changes propagate instantly across the site, allowing experimentation with messaging and visuals while maintaining consistency and professional polish. Framer also includes a built-in CMS, allowing content-driven sites like blogs, landing pages, and marketing sites to scale cleanly. Content can be updated without breaking layouts, supporting teamwork between designers and marketers. Publishing is streamlined, with hosting, performance, and deployment handled automatically. Another advantage of Framer is speed to iterate. Changes published quickly, designs feel lightweight, and performance is optimized by default. This makes Framer attractive for teams running experiments, launching campaigns, or refining messaging frequently. Unlike traditional builders, Framer encourages iteration rather than perfection before launch. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, Framer offers beautiful design control, smooth animations, fast publishing, and a modern editing experience. It's ideal for visually driven sites and fast-moving teams. On the downside, Framer is less suitable for complex back-end needs. E-commerce depth is limited, and long-term scalability may require pairing with other tools. It's not designed to replace full hosting platforms. In terms of ratings, both tools are generally well regarded, but Trustpilot data may be limited or inconsistent. Hostinger is often praised for affordability and reliability, while Framer is valued for design quality and speed. Ratings should be treated as general sentiment indicators rather than definitive judgment. Final takeaway: choose Hostinger if you want affordable hosting, ownership, and long-term scalability. Choose Framer if you want a fast, modern, design-first website with minimal infrastructure concerns. If this comparison helped, like and subscribe to the channel and click the link below to access the software and choose the platform that best fits your skills, timeline, and growth strategy.